Come test drive the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.